Hi everybody, all my followers, be welcome to another video. So the video today is on this 2017 Nissan X-Trail, and this came to me with hopefully a rather simple problem. Usually I'm not very lucky with rather simple, but we'll see how it goes. So, let me explain what the problem is. And to start with, let me start this thing. Okay, started. So, the problem with this is that it is extremely difficult to engage. I think it's first gear. So, this is a manual box. So, if I engage reverse, you pull this little thing up. Reverse engaged. And I'm ready to go. If I try to engage first gear, you've seen that, and I engaged actually first gear. Second, now I'm going to try to engage first again. It doesn't go in. There is like, I don't even know if I engaged first or third. Let me actually get out of here first. I need to take the handbrake off. So let me actually return a tiny bit. Like so. Okay. Let me put these in front of the garage somehow, even if I let it to. Oh, come on. Let me go on second gear, that's it. Okay. I can get through here, I think. Yeah, there is room. Okay. That's better like that. Right, so I think this, even second gear, is a little bit hard, but first gear definitely is I think this is third, to be fair with you. Third, no, it's actually first gear. Yeah, you can put first, but you can't pull it all the way there because it stops. So anyway, I think this is going to be a matter of some sort of adjustment. Maybe on the gear selector on the gearbox, or gear actuator, I'll say. Gear selector, I'm not sure if there's anything here that we can actually actuate or adjust. Actually, there is. Let me see if I can do this without actually leaving the car. Well, maybe I need to get some tools. Oh, this comes off. You pull it. We have the. Right, let me see how you remove this thing out. So, I think I have nailed it. I had a look at the front, and there is definitely, maybe, I don't know, I would have to remove the battery to really have a good look, but obviously the cables, they come under the battery here. Sometimes there is adjustments there is some sort of little plates that you can pull and move things across. But because I've seen that possibility of adjustment inside, I just thought I'm going to focus on there first because it's going to be easier. And if it's doable, why not? And I'm going to take you through very careful here now, because I've done a similar adjustment once on a... Which was that? Was a Range Rover? No, on a Jeep. And I thought that was basic stuff, and I got a lot of people commenting negatively because I didn't show anything, even though I thought something like this would be quite self-explanatory. I'm not trying to be here bragging or anything like that, but you know, if you get to this point and you can't figure out how to adjust a cable, then maybe you shouldn't do it. But look, I don't want to be here saying that you shouldn't do it at all. But all I'm trying to say is I've got to show you very careful how this is done, and it's rather basic. So I've seen here that you have, these are just, it looks like a thread, and probably it is. Like, as I thought someone was here. And I've seen that this comes here. Then I saw this yellow tab. And what you do is, if I pull this yellow tab out, just got you out now. There we go. You see the tab coming out? There we go. And now, there we go. This is what I was trying to show you. See? I can move and lock these again in a different position, okay? So I know roughly where it was, so I'm going to put it roughly maybe there and see. There we go. So I put it on a different position before. This was further down a little bit, and now just want to show you. I've done these already, but I just want to show you. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. I know the engine is not running, so mine went a little bit too much. Now it's fine, so it's okay now. So let's gonna start the engine actually to see if this is okay. Okay, engine is running. I'm gonna turn these off. So at the moment I have the handbrake disconnected, so, but anyway, so first of all, reverse. Yeah. First gear, second gear, third gear, fourth, fifth, sixth. Look at this. 5-minute job. All I want to do now is go for a test drive, make sure all the gears are engaging okay, reconnect that, and hopefully this will be the fix. But as you can see, guys, really easy, really easy. Let's kind of see just if the car drives okay on all the gears, and that will be job done. Right, so let's gonna go for a drive, and what an easy repair if this is fixed. So I haven't put anything back on yet other than connecting that. I'm giving it a scan because obviously we triggered codes by having these disconnected. I don't want the car to live with any codes that doesn't have to. We're going to take a screwdriver just in case if we need any further adjustments, and that's it. We're ready to go. So let's go and see how it drives. Now I'm not going to be able to go too far. As you can see, it's literally, it doesn't even show me how many miles up to needing the fuel. So look at that. We're just gonna go around the block, come back, that's it. If I can engage all the gears smoothly, I'm happy with it, and that's it. That's gonna be the fix. So that's gonna put it like that. I need to pull this forward. Oh, where's the thing? Is this electric? Oh, it's electric. Okay, so we have plenty of faults as well. Oops. Let's gonna go and see how he drives. Okay, so far he's driving absolutely fine. So third gear, perfect. He looks pretty good to me. I know you're not seeing the gear lever, but I might actually point the camera to the gear lever because that's what we're gonna be interested on. So if you just give me 1 second. Okay, so it's definitely not the best angle, but I think it should be enough for us to go through this. So first gear, second gear, I think you can see me doing the gear shifts. Third gear, fourth gear, fifth gear, sixth gear. Perfect, absolutely perfect. He's driving fine, he's putting gears fine. So we're gonna go turn around, not turn around actually, just gonna go around the village. Hopefully we'll have enough fuel. What an easy fix. What an easy fix. Fifth gear again, 6. Oh, it's driving absolutely fine. Right, let me just get now at the end of this road. Actually, can I stop here? I can stop here actually. Yeah, I can. If I stop here, it's nothing stop me from stopping here. And we do neutral. Oh, beautiful. Happy with this, really happy with this. So I'll say it's fixed. There's nothing else to say about it. So guys, there was no need to be here extending the video anymore. Probably already extended enough. So with no further ado, obviously I just gotta put these back on. I'm gonna clear the codes on the car, at least once for the handbrake. The other ones probably not too bothered, but we might just have a quick look through. And that's it, guys. So nothing really rocket science, really simple. And that's it. With no further ado, hope you enjoyed the video. If you have learned something, probably you didn't, I don't know. But if you have learned something, the better. If you do still have any questions or any comments, guys, you know exactly how it works. Just put them right below. And like always, thanks for watching.